Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the EveryDollar application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in EveryDollar and start your search. Once you find the EveryDollar application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will now begin the download and installation of the EveryDollar application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application. Once the application is opened up, you can proceed forward to signing up in order to create a new account or log into your existing one to start using the EveryDollar application on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the EveryDollar application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to never miss another update from us. Also ring that notification bell and I will see you again in the next one.